Hey everyone, it's Amy back here again, and I'm here today to show you how you can use Force to make your animation more interesting. So we're going to click on Sign In. You're going to click on your username. Now this time we're not going to create a new sprite. We're going to use a sprite we've already made. We're going to use our pose sprite. So if you hover there, there's a word there that's highlighted that says Edit. We're going to click on Edit. Now, we're going to talk about force today. You've already learned that force in animation means how fast something moves, and it also means if something hits your character or if your character hits something else. So force in this case could just be how fast the light moves, right? It's not very interesting, but it could be, right? It also could be if it hits something. Now, it could hit anything, right? It could hit a tree. It could hit a shrub. In this case, since my character is kicking, I thought, wow, it might be kind of interesting to have my character kick a soccer ball. So what I'm going to do today to demonstrate force is I'm going to show my character hitting a soccer ball and that soccer ball moving away quickly, right? Because when we kick a soccer ball, it moves very quick. So that's how I'm going to use force to show speed and it hitting something. So what I'm going to do here, I'm on frame 1, and I want to show the soccer ball in frame 1. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my soccer ball and then I'll come back. Alright, I've drawn my soccer ball. Now, I want my soccer ball to go somewhere, but I was noticing that I'm kind of close to the edge of my frame here, so I want to move it. There's a really cool tool I want to show you. If I hover over the hand tool, I can click and I can actually move my whole character over. So I'm going to go ahead and just move my character over. I like that better. There it is, right there. Okay, so that's frame 1. Now, if I look at my whole animation, it doesn't look that great right now, right? Frame 1, she's over here, frame 2, something else. So I'm going to go over here to frame 2, and I'm going to move over to frame 2. Now, let's say I want to make her perfectly in the exact same spot. I can click on this little onion right here, and it gives me a ghost image of frame 1. So I'm going to do that. So there's frame 1, it's giving me the ghost image. You see the ghost image? Use my hand, and I'm going to move my character so she's in exactly the same spot so it doesn't look weird. Alright, I'm going to turn off my onion. Okay, so I have my character kicking the ball. Now, it just looks like right now the ball disappears. I'd really like for the ball to go somewhere. So what I'm going to do is I am going to have the ball moving right here. So that means I need to redraw the ball. I kind of want the ball to be the same size. So maybe I'll do my onion and I can look at it. So I have to actually redraw it. So I'm going to get my white and redraw it. I'm going to redraw my ball and I'll come right back. And I redrew my soccer ball. And the way I did it is I just looked at the ghost image from the first frame and redrew it. I can turn off the ghost image. Now if I look at my preview, that looks pretty good, right? I really like that. But I actually want to show the ball going even further, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually hover and I'm going to duplicate the frames. And I've got 3 frames. Okay, now in this third frame, I want to move the soccer ball even further. So this time I don't want to have to redraw the soccer ball because it's already on my frame. So there's a great trick. We're going to use this tool right here. It looks like a jelly bean, but it's actually a selecting tool. So I'm going to draw all the way around my soccer ball, okay? And now you're not going to be able to see it, but on my keyboard, I'm going to push down the buttons Control and the letter C. So Control C, that means it copies. Control C, and then I'm going to click with this hand and move it wherever I want it to go. So I'm going to have it right here, and then I'm going to push the button Control V, as in Victor, and that's going to paste it. Click off to the side. Now I have 2 soccer balls. What do I do to get rid of the other one? I just erase it. So I'm going to do that really quick. Here's my completed animation. So I've shown force because my character uses force, the impact of the ball hitting her foot, and it moves away. Now, if I want to speed it up, it's a lot faster, and it looks like she's kicking lots of soccer balls, right? So you can speed it up, slow it down, however you would like for it to be. And once you're totally done, you're going to click right here, and that's going to save to your gallery, okay? So we're going to click Save to your gallery, and we're going to call this one Force. Nice job, by the way. And you can click on my gallery to see it. And there it is.